The current structure of Masjid-e-Nabawi was constructed and expanded during the reign of King Fahd bin Abdulaziz Al Saud of Saudi Arabia. The major expansion project was undertaken in the 1980s and 1990s. King Fahd's expansion significantly increased the mosque's capacity, adding new wings, courtyards, and facilities while maintaining its historical and architectural significance. Muslims prefer to visit Masjid-e-Nabawi during Ramadan for several reasons. 1. Spiritual significance. Masjid-e-Nabawi is considered a sacred place, and performing prayers and other acts of worship during Ramadan is believed to bring immense spiritual rewards. 2. Proximity to the Prophet. Being in the mosque where the Prophet Muhammad is buried is a deeply emotional and spiritual experience for many Muslims. 3. Increased blessings. Ramadan is a month of blessings, and visiting Masjid-e-Nabawi during this time is believed to amplify these blessings. 4. Taraweeh prayers. Masjid-e-Nabawi offers Taraweeh prayers, which are a special feature of Ramadan, and many Muslims visit the mosque to perform these prayers. 5. Community and unity. Masjid-e-Nabawi attracts Muslims from all over the world, creating a sense of community and unity among believers. 6. Opportunity for Umrah. Many Muslims combine their Ramadan visit to Masjid-e-Nabawi with Umrah, a pilgrimage to Mecca, which is highly recommended during this month. Overall, visiting Masjid-e-Nabawi during Ramadan is a way for Muslims to deepen their spiritual connection, seek blessings, and strengthen their faith. Iftar at Masjid-e-Nabawi in Medina, Saudi Arabia, holds significant spiritual and social benefits for Muslims. Some of these benefits include 1. Spiritual rejuvenation. Breaking the fast in the Prophet's mosque is believed to bring immense spiritual rewards and blessings. 2. Community bonding. Iftar gatherings at Masjid-e-Nabawi foster a sense of community and unity among Muslims from diverse backgrounds. 3. Increased devotion. The sacred atmosphere of the mosque enhances devotion and focus on spiritual growth during Ramadan. 4. Following the Sunnah. Breaking the fast in congregation at Masjid-e-Nabawi allows Muslims to follow the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad. 5. Cultural experience. Iftar at Masjid-e-Nabawi provides a unique cultural experience, blending traditional hospitality with spiritual significance. Many Muslims consider Iftar at Masjid-e-Nabawi a once-in-a-lifetime experience, offering a chance to deepen their connection with Allah and the Muslim community. Masjid-e-Nabawi has a total of 10 gates. However, over time, the mosque has undergone expansions and renovations, and the number of gates may have increased. Today, Masjid-e-Nabawi has numerous gates, providing easy access for the large number of pilgrims and visitors.